Hello everyone, in this video we'll see how we can define accounting and also we'll see the objectives of accounting. So let's see. Accounting is a process of identifying, recording, classifying and summarizing the events of financial nature in a significant manner and interpreting the results thereof to the users of such information. That means it is the process of identifying. Identifying means whenever you'll get any financial transaction, your first job is to identify the nature of transaction, whether it's a payment or a receipt, whether it's a debit note or a credit note, whether it's a sale or a purchase. So once you've identified the nature, then you record the entry in your system with the help of a double entry accounting system. So it creates an impact in your general ledger. So general ledger means it can be seen as a foundation of a system which records and organizes the financial data of a company. And ultimately, once the entry comes in a general ledger, it then gets summarized in the form of income statement and your financial statement, where income statement contains trading account and your profit and loss account, and your financial statement contains balance sheet of the company. So whole process takes place in a significant or a systematic manner, and the results obtained are interpreted to the users of such information. So where users are your internal and your external users. When you're talking about a public limited company, then the internal users are the directors of the company, the management of the company, employees and workers working in a company. They have the direct access to the financial data of the company, and external users are bank or any financial institute, investors, public, your creditors, researchers, etc. So let's see the objectives of accounting. First is recording business transactions in a systematic manner. So this point has already been covered in the definition. Second is determining the financial position of the enterprise. So basically how sound or how strong is your company financially, that can be determined with the help of a balance sheet. Next is assists management in effective decision making. So this point covers making a better cash management policies, forecasting and budgeting, forecasting for the long run of your business. Next is deducing profit earned or loss incurred. So if you have revenue that is more than the expenses incurred, then you have got a profit. And in case your expenses are more than whatever revenue you have got, then you have incurred a loss. Next is helps in keeping the track of business year to year. So this basically relates to the historic data of your company year to year, so that you can match your company's financial statement with the current year or with the previous year. Also, you can match the data in between intra-firm and inter-firm. Next is detection and rectification of the frauds and errors made, also highlights the inefficiencies if any. So detection and rectification can be done if any of your internal employees or your accountants are making mistake knowingly or unknowingly. That can be detected and rectified during audit. And also if you have some unprofitable or any inefficient activity in your organization, that can be easily highlighted. Last and the most important is communicating accounting information to various internal and external users, that we have already covered in the definition. So I hope you have got a better picture of accounting and objectives of accounting. So friends, thank you so much for being with me till the end of this video. Thanks a lot.